Yesterday's walk helped a lot. I'm a lot more fluid. We're down at Coles Bay Regional Park, and I'm not going to walk you down to the water on video today. I'm going to do that on my own. You can check out last year's video just before we went to the Philippines. I did a couple of videos in here. But first, these trees are wonderful. And this is one of the main entrances to go down. It's sort of a loop, and it takes you down to the water. Okay, so I did some stretching before coming down the hill, and the camera was in my pocket. So here we are down at the ocean then. You can see that the park kind of peeks out with the creek here, and there's homes on either side. Somebody's got their sailboat out there. I can't tell if that far mountain just got fresh snow or not. It's definitely cold enough that the higher altitudes are probably showing it. And you can see why this is a park. There's no way you can build homes along here. Okay, so let's wander up the trail. Ankle is still tight and there's slight inflammation, but it's definitely way more mobile. I've come to learn over the years here that this is not an ankle problem. This is a maximus minimus issue, and I just have to do those exercises more often. And we did that flight back from the Philippines, plus the road trip to Vernon, and I could feel it starting before I finished the road trip from Vernon back. It's nice, they've got full facility washrooms here. And they've got extra picnic tables, and I think that's a fire service road to the back side of these houses. Okay, so I got kids ahead, so I'm going to stop the video here. See you at the top. Okay, little kids getting a piggyback ride. So I didn't know they had this open area down there. I usually take the other trail. So there's 3 picnic tables here. Not quite as private as the top area there because people park and leave. And I like to soak up the sun, so. Yeah, this particular trail is a much easier walk. The other one is more zigzaggy, a little bit more up and down. But this is the path that brings you back across. And as you saw down below, there's stairs right at the end of this alternate route, which is just merely the other side of the creek. Some more budding. Okay, there we go, guys. That's a good one for today.